Hi. In this video, we will talk about one of the assumptions of NLP. That is, everyone has their own unique model of the world. It is one of the most important presuppositions of neuro-linguistic programming, a set of techniques and beliefs created by Richard Bandler and John Grinder. The NLP concept everyone has their own unique model of the world suggests that each person's perception of reality is shaped by their unique experiences, beliefs, values, and culture. In other words, no two people experience the world in exactly the same way. For example, imagine two people are walking through a city park. One person might notice the beautiful trees and flowers, while the other might notice the architecture of the buildings surrounding the park. They are both in the same physical space, but their attention and perception of the environment is different. Similarly, consider two people who grew up in different countries. One might see family as the most important aspect of life, while the other might value personal achievement and success. These different values can shape their beliefs and attitudes towards work, relationships, and happiness. In these examples, each person's model of the world is shaped by their individual experiences, beliefs, and values. This unique perspective can influence their thoughts, feelings, and behaviors, as well as their interactions with others. By understanding that everyone has their own unique model of the world, we can become more empathetic and accepting of other people's perspectives. We can also learn to appreciate the diversity of human experience, and to see it as a source of strength and creativity. In short, the NLP concept everyone has their own unique model of the world reminds us that each person is a unique individual with their own experiences, beliefs, and values. By recognizing this, we can become more compassionate, understanding, and respectful of others. Thanks for watching.